Wish you a very lovely good morning, students. It is English class, and today we are going to start chapter 10, and chapter 10 is clauses. Clauses means group of words. Okay, clause means group of words. Okay, clause means group of words. We know that a clause is a group of words which forms part of a sentence. Okay, and which contains a subject and a predicate. Okay, this contains, okay, clause contains a subject and a predicate. The predicate may be a single finite verb, or it may be a set of words which contains a finite verb. Okay, means clause, it is a group of words and it is divided in two parts, subject and verb. Okay, verb, which type verb? Meaningful verbs. Say example, birds sing. Okay, then it is a birds, it is a subject. Okay, birds birds sing. Okay, it is a meaningful sentence. Okay, and it is a clause because clause group of words and it is divided into two parts, subject and verb. Subject birds and verb it is a sing. Okay, and it is that this verb, it is a meaningful word. Okay, then birds sing, it is a clause. Okay, the predicate may be a single finite verb, or it may be a set of words which contains a finite verb. Okay, birds sing, I have a remote controlled robot. A clause needs to have a finite verb. Okay, see sentence. He writes a poem every day. He writes a poem every day. He, it is a subject and writes. Okay, it is a verb. And finite verb writes, it is show the present tense. Okay, simple present tense, writes, because a main verb add s. Okay, and simple present tense, when we write a simple present tense, then write first subject, main verb first form, s or es, then object in affirmative form. And second, they took the chairs out into the garden. Then in this sentence, took, it is a finite verb, it is a verb, and it is it is second form. Okay, there is used verb in second form, so it is a past tense. Finite verbs carry tense and change according to person and number. Okay, finite verbs carry tense and change according to person and number. Next, main clauses and subordinate clauses. Okay, clause, two types. We are discuss two types clauses, main clauses and subordinate clauses. First, main clauses. Okay, clauses which make complete sense on their own are known as main clauses. Okay, the first, okay, clauses which make complete sense on their own are known as main clauses. See, I trust him because he always keeps his word. Okay, my daughter loves pasta which she eats every day. Okay, the first clause in each sentence make complete sense on its own and can be used as an independent sentence. I trust him. Yes, because he always keeps his word. My daughter loves pasta. which she eats every day. So okay, clauses which make complete sense on their own are known as main clauses. Okay. And next, subordinate clauses. Clauses that do not make complete sense on their own but require the support of a main clause to be complete are called dependent or subordinate clauses. Okay, means clauses are two types of clauses. There are two types of clauses: independent clauses and subordinate clauses. Independent clauses means main clause. Okay, and main clauses which make complete sense on their own are known as main clause. Okay, it is a independent clause. And second one, clauses that do not make complete sense. Okay, clauses that do not make complete sense on their own but require the support of a main clause to be complete are called dependent or subordinate clauses. Next, subordinate clauses. Subordinate clauses include a finite verb but do not make complete sense on their own. Okay, they are also called dependent clauses as they must be used with the main clause to create a full sentence. Okay, the house which stands on the hill is haunted. Okay, when the match was over, we went out to celebrate. We can recognize subordinate clauses by looking out for subordinating signals, okay, which can be a subordinating conjunction or a relative pronoun. Okay, example: they danced until they were exhausted. Okay, she is the one who took your ring. And we can classify subordinate clauses according to their functions into three parts. Okay, noun clauses, adjective or relative clauses, and adverb clauses. Okay, noun clauses. A noun clause is a subordinate clause which contains a subject and a predicate and does the work of a noun. Okay, means a noun clause is a subordinate clause which contains a subject and a predicate and does the work of a noun. Noun clauses usually begin with the conjunctions that, if, whether, what, etc., or with the interrogatives why, what, where, when, or how. Okay. An easy identification for noun clauses is that they answer the question what. Okay, like this. I know that he is innocent. Okay, I know what? That he is innocent. A noun clause can function in the following rules. Functions: the subject of a verb. Examples: what he says seems true. Subject of the verb seems. Okay, that you would compromise shocked me. Subject of the verb shocked. Okay, where they are going is unknown. Subject of the verb is. Where they are going is unknown. The subject of a verb Okay, next the object of a verb. The object of a verb, say example, I know that Lena bought a new car. Object of the verb, no, I know, okay, that Lena bought a new car. Next, he can't remember where he left his keys. Okay, object of the verb, remember. Okay, next one, functions, the object of a preposition. The object of a preposition, um, don't judge her by how she looks. Okay, object of a preposition, by. I can really on what she says. Object of the preposition, on. Okay, on what he said. Next function, in noun clauses, a subject complement used after couplet or linking verbs. See, the fact is that he does not know the answer. Okay, tells us more about the subject fact. Okay, next functions, an element is apposition to a noun or pronoun. Okay, an element is in apposition to a noun or pronoun. Example, you must always remember this, that hard work always plays in apposition to the pronoun this. Okay, you must always remember this, that hard work always pays. Okay, then it is a apposition to a pronoun this. Next, next, adjective or relative clauses. Okay, adjective or relative clauses. See sentence, the new coat is in the car. Which coat? New coat. The coat which I bought yesterday is in the car. Which coat? The coat which I bought yesterday. Okay, in the first sentence the word new describe the coat. That means it is an adjective. Okay, new, it is a adjective word. In the second sentence the clause which I bought yesterday modifies the noun coat. That means it does the work of an adjective. It is therefore an adjective clauses. Clear? Means the coat which I bought yesterday is in the car. Okay, see second sentence clause na, which I bought yesterday, it is modifies the noun coat. Okay, that means it does the work of an adjective. It is therefore an adjective clauses. An adjective clause is a subordinate clause which contains a subject and a predicate and does the work of an adjective. Okay. An adjective clause is usually placed immediately after the noun or pronoun it modifies, while an adjective often comes before the noun or pronoun. To introduce an adjective clause, we use relative pronouns or relative adverbs. Okay, relative pronouns means who, whom, whose, which, and that, and relative adverbs where, when, why. Okay, see one example. Relative pronouns, she is the girl who works in my office. Okay, in this sentence who, which, and that are the relative pronouns used to introduce adjective clause. And second, I have visited the place where Lord Krishna was born. Okay, in this sentence where, okay, it is a relative adverbs used to introduce adjective clause. Okay. Adverb clauses. See sentences. My family arrived promptly. My family arrived before it started raining. Okay, in the first sentence, the verb arrived is modified by an adverb promptly. Okay, in the second sentence, the clause before it started raining. Okay, my family arrived before it started raining. Okay, then sentence the clause. It is a clause now. Before it started raining does the work of an adverb and is an adverb clause. Okay, and an adverb clause is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate. Okay, an adverb clause is a group of words. Okay, an adverb clause is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate. Okay, it is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb. Okay, we have already learned about adverb clauses in greater detail. And see example. For more examples and exercise, see chapter 8. Okay, one time see chapter 8. Okay, student, means an adverb clause is a group of words. Okay, it is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate, okay, of its own and does the work of an adverb. Okay, this chapter completed. Thank you.